Alrighty, here's your first programming assignment coming up. I want you to go into your editor and modify your hello.c program to output hello, period, new line, my name is, new line, and then put your name in there. You can write your name if you want to, but it's a little more interesting if you get your own name in there. Nothing that we like to see more than our own name up in lights on a screen. And then put a period out at the end of that. I want you to try to think about the different ways that you could use printf and use different lines in your program. All you have to use is printf, but use it a couple of different ways to put your output on 3 different lines like that. I want you to try to do this once on 3 lines, and then I want you to go in and modify it again and see if you can change your printfs to put all of this information, hello, my name is, and your name, on just one line of output on the screen. And then get your cursor down there at the bottom again underneath the last line. And to do that, you're going to have to take away some characters that you've already used so that you get your output on one line. So remember, you have to use your editor and you have to edit the program, change it around. Don't forget your semicolons at the end of your new lines. And then you have to compile it. Well, of course, you have to save it, first of all, to the disk, and then get out of your editor. You'll have to compile it and link it, and our programs are going to do that for us automatically. And then you have to execute it so that you can see the output, make sure that it ran. So take some time and practice getting in and out of the editor, using the compiler, looking at any errors that you might get, and trying to figure out what the compiler is telling you. Sometimes the compiler will throw an error, we call it, or tell you that there's a problem someplace after the problem, not right where the problem really is. We will look at that when we look more into how to program in C, how to really do some coding. But don't be fooled by your compiler and where it tells you there might be an error. But if you do it really well and you're careful, you won't have any errors. You won't have to worry about that. So there you go. There's your programming assignment, and we'll take a look at some possible answers because there's lots of ways to do this. There's probably as many ways to do this assignment as there are programmers out there. But I'll show you the way I would have done it here in just